is up? Holy shit. Dude, I just came around one of these corners and there was just a tree branch hanging down in the middle. I just went straight through it. Holy shit. Thank you, AGV. Dude, I took that thing straight in the head. That was fucking crazy. Literally came around the corner, you know, woo, here it is, and there's just a tree branch hanging, not in the, like on the ground, but like hanging from the tree. Oh man, that was fucking crazy. I just full on bullheaded that thing right through. Oh shit. That was crazy. What's up, everybody, though? But wait. Before you click off or watch the rest of this video like a awesome human being, hit that subscribe button. The hilarious number of people who watch my videos and aren't subscribed, you don't even want to know. You don't even want to know. It is astronomical. Which, thank you for finding me and watching. But just, you know, click that subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Hit the little thumbs up like, and how's it going? So I haven't recorded in like, I don't know, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, something like that. My computer is having its own little anti-me moments where it's just deciding to freeze whenever I try to connect the whenever I try to put a memory card in it. It's just saying fuck you, no. So I haven't been recording because the SD card I was using is full to the brim, and I found this SD card. So we're back in recording. Heck yeah. So how's it going? How you all been? It's been a while, I know. Today, anybody want a grill? Things you find on back roads that you don't care about. Today, me, myself, and Le Motorcycle are going to hang out with a girl who, I don't want to say she just started riding. I don't know how to explain this. She's like, she had a bike, or was dating a guy with a motorcycle. Ta-da! He crashed it or something, and then decided he wasn't gonna get another one. So she said, you know, she's like, well, I want a motorcycle still. I still want to ride. So she went out and bought a 250. You know, rode it for, I think she said, like a couple months, then put it away for the winter because that's what you do up here. Then hasn't ridden it for like years. Just gonna break up with another guy, and you know, decided she needed something to, what's the word I'm looking for, people? Keep her mind busy. That's not the right, you know, whatever. Something to distract her. There it is. There it is. My brain works. Something to distract her. So she was like, I went and helped her change her oil last week. Changed the oil on the bike for her. She bought a new battery. So today, I'm going to go meet up with her, and we're going to go very boringly putt around. To be blunt, probably. Apparently, she said the stopping is the hardest part, and that's, you know, also one of the most important parts. Stopping. I don't know why my voice is cracking. I swear, I've been through puberty. I have. I promise. I think it's just one of those things. She's probably more nervous than anything else because she, you know, she went through the whole, I don't know what you call it in your state, but like the MSF thing, the motorcycle safety course, where you do it for like 2 days and they give you your license at the end if you pass. She did that whole thing, so, you know, she obviously had the skill to pass, which, mind you, I've never done it, so I don't know how hard it actually is, but that is, you know, not here nor there. But so she has the skill to pass, riding at least in a parking lot. So we're gonna, I don't know what the plan is. I'm just moseying my way, airplane style, to wonder what those people just thought. It's like, what the fuck is this idiot doing? What kind of moron is he? The kind that's fun. That's the kind of moron I am. I'm the kind that's fun. And my bike makes loud popping noises. And I like it. So other adventures, I don't know if you can see down there, but I've got my stock foot pegs back on. The little FZ that got in a fight with a box truck and lost. Not horribly, just lost. Guy was pulling out of a parking space. Took his corner a little too quick for the big truck that he can't control. Couldn't control, whatever, I don't know. And caught my foot peg and just raked it right. I mean, if it's supposed to be here, it was about here. It just ripped it down and around, and it was all kinds of fucked up. I mean, it was still rideable, like the brake still worked and the rear brake, it was on that side, on the, you know, that side. The brake side, if you don't know, on the right hand foot side of the braking, it was still rideable. Like, I rode it home, and I had the mechanic guy I know check it over and make sure that everything was like fine, because I didn't know if the master cylinder, or like not master, if the little Brembo slave cylinder down there had been bent or anything. So he checked it all out, put the stock ones on for me, and now I'm waiting a month I think, for some new foot pegs to come in. Whatever. They're version 2 though. Version 2 of the ones I had, so they're different and new. And you know, it sucks, but at least in the end I get some new foot pegs out of it. And the other ones I've had for, I want to say 3 years, 2 years, something like that. So whatever. They feel, mind you, I'm not some big road racer. I don't need like the best feel of everything out of here. But these stock pegs, rear sets, whatever you want to call them, you know what I'm talking about, feel so strange. They're lower, they're wider, the shifter's in a different spot. Like, they still work fine, like, you know, it's just a different placing of your foot. But if you know what I mean, like, it'd be like getting in your car and having somebody move your seat. It's not really, like, as long as you don't move it to where you can't use it. If it's just moved like forward a little bit, you just know something's off. It just feels strange. And that's what these are. They work perfectly fine. I mean, obviously they were designed for the bike because they're the stock rear sets. They just feel weird. They just feel weird. I'm used to having my feet farther up and back and in now than I am where these are lower. It's honestly more of a like comfortable position for your legs. It's more of a 45-degree angle instead of your foot being up and backwards. But it's strange, especially after 2 years of having like that being the normal, is like up and back and, you know, kind of aggressive stance to this. And not to mention these have like those rubber pads on. If you put pressure on it and you do this, you can feel the rubber pad like move around. It's kind of weird. I have hit the pegs on both sides though. If you know what I mean, like stock rear sets have those little like on the foot peg, on the rear set, whatever, on the foot peg part of the rear set, they have that little bar that sticks down for like, I don't know what it's, maximum lean angle or whatever, and I've hit both of them in the last 2 days, so that's always fun. Scary as shit when you don't know what you're doing, and you hit it, and you're, oh, what the fuck, and you're, oh, I know, we're good. Come on, it's just a roundabout. Just because there's a sign doesn't mean you need to stop. But yeah, other than my little tirade, rant, squirrel conversation about my foot pegs, we're gonna go meet up with the girl, the lady friend. See here, it's actually a really nice, like it's a really, really nice version of a 250. Like it's very, what the fuck are you doing? you know, it's clean. It's not old or busted or pieces are broken off or something like that. It's not. It's like, it's a very good, no, it's a good starter bike.